can't smoke some cigs and take the toge. You know, is there any Filipinos that say, do you take the to bakla? Give it up for the dumb jokes today. Yo, how are we leaving so early? We're already stuck behind somebody. Well, okay, we're not trying to take those roads right now.
All right, we are at the meetup spot officially, and the Bay is getting the shots. Okay, so can you kind of explain what your the story of this video is?
Michael wants to flex his championship white paint at the Cars and Coffee.
The Bay is anxious, I can tell.
You know, if this guy wasn't in the way, we'd already be there. Because we take these mountains. Oh, fuck, am I getting hungry? We caught up with people and we're going slow. You know what that means? They're going slower. Oh.